The double kettlebell single leg deadlift. This is a great variation to add upon the skill set that we've learned when it comes to a traditional single leg deadlift and a contralateral load. Because when we get to having two kettlebells in our hand, we can now load it a little bit more. Whereas when we have it in our contralateral load, we are now fighting a rotation component. Whereas when we have two, we have a little bit easier time going through the motion. So it's a nice change up to actually kind of start lifting some heavy weights. So when it comes to a weight suggestion, you want to go, if you're using kettlebells in kilos, anywhere from like 4 to 6 kilos more. So what I want to see, and I think this is the biggest tip that I need to say because everyone does this wrong. Anytime an exercise begins, especially when you have kettlebells or dumbbells on the ground, you want to get into a deadlift or squat to pick it up. I see too many people that kind of just reach over and bend over with a loaded spine. So from there, we're holding the kettlebells, and nice and slow, just like any other single leg deadlift, we're going to come down in our hinge, pushing that hip back, squeezing tight on the kettlebells, and then driving up. Making sure that when I come down, I'm not letting my shoulders roll and then back up, and I'm not letting my knee stay locked out and trying to do this weird warrior three thing from yoga. So you want to think of having that soft knee, sucking those shoulders back, trying to get my chest in line to the ground, and then back up. Nice and slow, making sure also my trailing hip is not opening up this way. I'm pushing it down to be in line with the ground, and then back up. And again, when you're done, same thing how you picked it up, you're slowly going to go into a hinge or a deadlift to protect that back. That is the double kettlebell single leg deadlift.